A failed bid to build a textile marketplace at the height of the dot-com boom taught Felix Capital's Frederic Court an important lesson about the power of habits. Consumers can change their lifestyles fast, but in a work environment it takes much longer, says Court, who has now landed a spot on the Midas List Europe with his investments in consumer-focused brands like Moonbug, Mejuri, and Farfetch. The London-based investor, which styles itself as the venture fund for the creative class, has now raised a new $600 million round, doubling its assets under management to $1.2 billion. Court, Felix Capital's founder and managing partner, says the fund will stick with its concentrated focus on making up to 25 investments in European and American startups that tap into changing consumer behavior. We started very early at Felix to talk about the emergence of a more digital lifestyle. We want to back members of the creative class that will come up with new brands that will resonate with a certain audience or sub-community. Felix's boutique approach to venture investing has proved a hit with early investments in fashion marketplace, Farfetch, food delivery app Deliveroo, and Peloton. The three companies, which are all now publicly traded, have, like many tech stocks, seen share prices slump from pandemic-era peaks. The consumer-centric brands favored by Felix also face serious headwinds from inflation and the cost of living crisis, but Court still sees opportunity. During COVID there were a few months where people were petrified, but what happened? People adapted. As they adapted, this created new opportunities, says Court, adding he led the first investment in luxury-focused Farfetch in the depths of the financial crisis in 2010. Felix has also recently celebrated a private exit with the sale of children's entertainment startup Moonbug to private equity group Blackstone for $3 billion in November 2021. The fund had invested double-digits millions pre-launch into the company, which owns hit YouTube channels Cocomelon and Blippi, says Court.